Live. Live talaga, be. Live talaga. I really commend SB19 for doing the absolute most in everything. Gwapo ni Ken dito, be. Dito naman, kay Ken naman ang gapong-gapo, be. Gwapo ni Stel, be. Ganda ng hair niya. Grabe yung passion, be. Ramdam na ramdam mo dito. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jamaica, and for today, meron na tayong bagong reaction video. And today, we are going to react to SB19's performance on the AOS stage. And they are going to perform their newest single, Damn. So I'm very, very excited for this. And I already reacted to, actually filmed the reaction video for SB19's performance at It's Showtime. So, I don't know kung ano yung una ko ma-upload, kung ito ba or yon. But if you guys are interested in watching that, and yeah, you can subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo kung meron ng bagong upload. Or you can always visit my channel to see if it is there. But yeah, I'm very, very excited for this stage because I've already seen some snippets of the performance, and I feel like it's going to be fire. So, wag na natin ito patagalin. I'm very, very excited for this. So, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start. Ooh. Okay, so wait lang. Since napanood ko na yung performance nila sa Showtime, I already, nasabi ko na to, yung stage, yung props, I really commend SB19 for doing the absolute most in everything. Talagang meron talaga silang pa-props para sa kanilang mga stages. And I think medyo different yung stage dito sa AOS compared sa Showtime. Kasi parang yung dun sa part nila, parang di ba yung gate ng SB19, tapos parang may mga, ano lang yun, parang rock formations or something. Tapos dito meron silang pa-arc and everything. And I'm really happy that SB19 is doing this kasi the only time I've seen this kind of production kapag may mga live performances is pag nanonood ako ng Inkigayo or Music Bank sa Korea. Kapag pinanood nyo yung mga music shows nila doon, talagang lahat ng performances, iba-iba talaga yung stages nila. Like, for example, let's say, A-Pink, kunwari, ganyan. Syempre, di ba, medyo pa bebe, medyo pa feminine yung A-Pink. So, minsan ang mga designs nila is mga flowers, ganyan. Wait lang, ayusin natin yung aking hikaw kasi ang sakit. Okay. So, yung mga stages ng A-Pink mostly is mga flowers, yung mga talagang, basta yung mga cutesy, mga ganyan-ganyan lang. So, pagdating naman, for example, ng 17 or ng BTS or ng EXO, like, yung mga design naman nila is more masculine, parang more dark yung stage. So, I'm just happy that SB19 is doing the absolute most for their stages para mas maging immersive yung performance nila. And, noong una, akala ko talaga this stage is brought to you by GMA or ng AOS stage. Akala ko sila yung nag-provide for SB19. But I feel like SB19 is doing this kasi itong gate is the same gate that you will watch sa Showtime stage. So I think na every time SB19 is going to do a live performance sa mga TV guestings nila, I think they will bring this gate and yung logo ng SAW ng Simula at Wakas. So I'm just happy that SB19 talaga is having this freedom to splurge on this kind of sets and to deliver wonderful results and wonderful outputs to their fans and even to the casuals. So, yeah. Simula pa lang, 4 seconds pa lang, dami ko na nasabi. So, galing. So, yeah. Oops. Yan! Oh, yung ganda ng camera angle dito, ah. May camera pa sila sa likod. Ang galing ni Josh, eh. Ito. Mga like. What you gonna do pag may dumating na maitim na ulap ako kiligin? Favorite ko yung part talaga ni Josh. And napansin ko lang, kasi kanina nag-ayos ako ng gamit, naglilinis ako, ang playlist ko is SB19. And I just realized that every song that they are doing laging sa kanya yung na-memorize ko na part na rap. Yung sa what, sa Gento, like parang lagi ko inaantay yung rap niya kasi parang yung flow nung rap at saka yung parang pagkaka-deliver niya, sobrang satisfying. Kaya I feel like mas nag-lean towards ako dun sa mga verses niya and gustong-gusto kong kinakanta yung mga parts niya. So, at saka sabihin ko lang din pala, ang ganda ng sound dito sa All Out Sundays. Yung what do you call this, yung backtrack and yung live voices nila is maganda, hindi nag-overpower yung backtrack. And sinabi ko to sa Showtime video that I think almost every performances sa Showtime, medyo malakas talaga yung backtrack. So, hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung vocals nila doon. Mas na-enjoy ko yung choreography. But here in All Out Sundays, starting with Josh, like, onti pa lang kinakantal niya, but I can already hear his own voice apart from the backtrack. So, ang galing-galing. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Kasi, doon talaga ako, gusto ko talaga yung live vocals and then the performance and everything. So, yeah. Ano pakiramdam sa walang hanggang agad? Yan o! Narinig nyo? Nung tumigil kumanta si Ken, like, naririnig nyo pa rin yung kanta, yung backtrack, pero sobrang hina. So, you know that they are singing live, na yung kanta nila, yung voice na naririnig mo ngayon, is yung live vocals nila. So, I'm super happy with this All Out Sundays na stage. Wow, ni Ken be. Sa aking mga mata, ang mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita.
Bakit ba nagkaganto? Landanan tukso, bawat hakbang laging may gulo. Huwag kang malas, bakit di ko galing tumakbo?
Gwapo ni Stelbe. Ganda ng hair niya. Bagay sa kanya. Live. Live talaga, be. Live talaga. Kung makita mo yung latid niya dito, be, kitang-kita mo nung nag-live, nung nag-high note siya. Like, gusto-gusto ko talaga kapag live vocals at saka yung performance, grabe. Ang ganda talaga ng stage lagi sa AOS. Bet na bet ko talaga. Gwapo ni Pablo, be. Grabe! Yung tawa niya, be! At saka may I say lang, kung napanood nyo na yung reaction video ko sa Showtime stage, gwapong-gwapo ako doon kay Pablo. And I think yung aura niya talaga doon iba talaga yung aura niya doon. Dito medyo iba, pero gwapo pa rin siya, be. Sobrang gwapo pa rin nila. Ang lalim ng boses ni Ken, be. Yun! I love that they are highlighting the choreography. Yes! Guwapo ni Ken dito, be. Dito naman, kay Ken naman ang gapong-gapo, be. Uy! Si Pablo naman, sinabi ko lang na gwapong-gwapo kay Ken, bigla na naman siyang nag-anuhan. Yung ginanyan niya yung mic, ang gwapo, be. Ano ba yan? Naglipat lang ng mic. Pero gwapong-gwapo na ako agad. Like, ano ba?
Ay may dahilan, huwag ka na, sige
like, oh my gosh, yung na-realize ko pala, kasi medyo napanood ko na yung mga clips nito sa X. So, yung part ni Stel, yung paano ba nagsimula, iba yung areglo niya dito. Pakinggan nyo. Pag pinakinggan nyo yung recorded version, iba yung areglo niya dito. Mas bet ko tong part na to. Ulitin natin yun dahil galing. Eto na nga. Saka, sorry kung pause ako ng pause ha, pero reaction video kasi to. So, I want to say my thoughts agad-agad. So, itong part na to, itong choreography, kasi di ba nag-post sila sa TikTok kung ano yung parang TikTok dance challenge, kung anong part yung sasayawin, syempre di ba yung chorus, ganyan. But like, I feel like this part is more satisfying panoorin kasi like all the beats are being lahat na hit nung choreography nila, yung bawat beat nung kanta. So for me, it's more satisfying kapag ito yung gawing viral. But SB19's Dam is already going viral sa TikTok. So I guess maganda pa rin yung pinili nilang part. But like, this is my favorite choreography sa buong Dam na choreo. So itong part na to talaga. So panoorin nyo, sobrang nakakasatisfy yung dance steps nila dito. Yan o. Grabe yung passion, be. Ramdam na ramdam mo dito. Bogs. Kay gwapo ba? Uy!
Can you please just hear me?
Okay. So, I think one of the difference din pala ng Showtime at saka ng AOS is yung AOS, feel ko wala silang, what do you call this? Ending fairy. So, medyo nakalamang yung Showtime stage doon. But, yeah, I super love that performance. I think I like this more, yung stage nila dito sa AOS, compared sa Showtime. Not because SB19 did better here, it's just because yung preference ko when it comes to performances. And I think yung All Out Sunday stage, nabigay sa akin lahat yon. Like yung theme, like yung ilaw, like yung camera angles, it's just, everything is perfect. So, gustong-gusto ko rin talaga na balance yung kanilang, what do you call this? Mas balance yung soundings nila dito kasi rinig na rinig mo yung voices ng boys. So, I like this one better, but SB19, like, ang galing nyo pa rin. Ang galing nyo talaga sa lahat ng bagay. Like, I super enjoyed this performance and sobrang tagal ko ng parang nauuhaw dun sa ganitong klaseng performances kasi I really want to see that passion, to see those vocals, those wonderful vocals from them, and even the rap parts. Like, everything is so satisfying with this stage, and I'm very, very happy for that. I remember, sa work, lagi ko talagang pinapaulit-ulit yung performance nila sa AAA kasi grabe yung passion nila doon, grabe yung vocals, yung performance, yung hype nila doon. And I feel like here in their performance sa All Out Sundays with Dam, I think it will go side by side with their performance in AAA. So, I'm so happy with this. I very much enjoyed this performance. So, yeah. For this video's verse of the day, we have Exodus chapter 2, verse 24. It says, "And God heard their groaning, and God remembered his covenant with Abraham, with Isaac, and with Jacob." Whenever I have a problem or when my anxiety just flares up for no reason, it is God who I always run to because I know that He always have the right words that could calm my heart. It is all thanks to God that I was able to go through my problems and come back stronger. And I know that even when I am not talking to God, He already heard my groanings, all my pains and tears. And I thank God for always being there. I hope you guys like that, and I'll see you on my next one. So I guess that's that for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, click the like button down below, and you can also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo every time I'm going to post a new video. And you can also comment down below what you guys think about this video, what you guys think about the performance of SB19. Ano mas prefer nyo? Is it the Showtime stage or is it the AOS stage? Kasi for me, I love the AOS stage so much. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think, and then also comment down below what you guys think I should react to on my next video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Two seasons.